fish on. Yo, what's going on, guys? I'm back with you, fishing with Alex. Today, me and my buddy Brandon, who also has a channel, it's Port City Reelin'. We're gonna be going back to that pond I showed you guys the other day, and we're bringing the kayaks, getting ready to go pick him up right now, and we're gonna get to it, see what we can catch out there, and hopefully it's gonna be a good day. I think the weather's gonna hold out for us. It's a little bit of a breeze, but that pond is pretty secluded, so I think we'll be all right. We're gonna be pretty much fishing soft plastics, but I'll show you guys once we get out there and once we get all the way loaded up. All right. All right, guys, we just got out here. We're both winded. It was actually quite a long walk out here, and the Pelican was a little bit heavy, so. But we got rods, all of our tackle, everything we're gonna be using today. We're gonna be using a little bit of top water, some plastics, and just have our spinning rod combos, and so we're just gonna get loaded up, and you guys can see the pond. We're just gonna try to get in right here at the side and get out there where it's open, so get back when we're on the water. Alright, guys, Brandon and I, we went to Academy yesterday. Ended up getting a new rod for the spinning combo. The Verados from Abu Garcia. This one was, I'm trying to remember what the specs were. This was the 6.6 medium, which I think is going to be pretty good setup for this. Just like last time, this one's a little bit ripped up. I might change it, but I'm going to start off with this Texas rig. This is that June bug color, or the blue and green kind of flake. Just a dark color for out in this this water. It is pretty clear out here, but this is what we caught both of the fish on last time. We're just gonna start out with this, and we've got some other soft plastics and maybe a little swim bait or something to throw out here and see what we can catch. But we're gonna make our way over to the first spot, and then we'll get started. All right, guys, we just got started. Brandon was hooking up. He's got the fish finder on his kayak, and we have already seen a lot of fish, so I'm just going to be trying over here at this cover, see if we can't hook up right off the bat. Got this tree, this down tree right over here. Try to get where you guys can see everything. Yeah, they might just be all in the pads. Yeah. It's the first time I've thrown on this rod too, so it's a little bit feels a little different than the other day. But we are going to be covering this whole pond to see what we can come up with. Just trying around some of this cover. I got stuck on some weeds. There's so many lily pads and brush out here that it's hard to not get hung up. Well, what's up? Fish on.
Oh yeah.
Just a little guy. Alright guys, that was like the third cast out here. And he choked that thing. That hook is down
About 5 foot of water right here.
pretty much right in his gill. Try to get this out without hurting him. First fish of the day. Probably not even a pound. Good looking fish though. Good looking fish. Release on this guy. It's a good start right there. Man, they like this this June flake out here, Brandon.
Yeah. Is that the one you've been using?
Yeah, it's the same one. It's literally the same worm that I caught the other two on the other day. I hadn't even put a new one on. And I gotta move a little bit. Starting to drift over here into Brandon's way. Yeah, we knew the other day after we came out here and got that little bit of bank fishing in that we had to bring the kayaks out here because it's nearly impossible. There was only 2 little spots that you guys saw that we could get out to. And, you know, I mean, there's a decent amount of water out here to cover. And, I mean, just the few minutes that we looked at the fish finder, we've seen a lot of fish in these pads. So we just want to try to cover this water, and we think this is going to be a really good spot for us. We're just going to try not to overfish this spot right now, so we'll probably hit this up. And we found another pond yesterday that we're going to be trying to hit up soon too. Alright guys, I just got this one rigged up. This is just going to be a weighted small swim bait style. So we'll try this out, see what happens. Maybe get some reaction bites, and if not, we'll figure something else out. Really? Figured that would be a nice cover right there. I'm trying that small plastic swim. I believe I just got hung up. Not certain. Alright guys, just in case you guys have been wondering exactly what I was using, it's a 7.5 inch June bug culprit, and I'm just going to tie that back on. I'm just going to try to fish with this for a while. Honestly, I mean, what's working is working, so I'm just going to try to figure out where they are and get some more in the kayak. Finish hooking this on, and then I'm going to get over to another spot. dude. I'm gonna try a few more minutes, I guess, over there, and I guess I'll just wrap it up. Alright guys, so we just got out the water. A little bit difficult time fishing out here today, but still made it happen. We've already got Brandon's kayak already brought back up, since that was the heavier of the two, and we got my little Walmart cheapie out the water. We're gonna go drag back, and I'll check in with you guys once we get loaded up and get back to the house, and we'll wrap this video up. Alright guys, so we just got back. Wasn't the best day of fishing out there. I think what really hurt us was the temperature drop in the water. That was about 6 to 7 degrees. It dropped just in the time we were there. Right when we got there, the sun was out, and then it got kind of overcast, and temperature is kind of have a cold front coming in, and we got some rain coming in too. But you know, if you guys fish a lot, you know that not every day is gonna be a good day, and you just got to work with the conditions and what you got. So I'm glad we were able to get a fish in the boat, and we got another pond in store that we're going to be checking out. I think we're going to have some good luck there, and we're just going to keep searching, keep finding good places, and I just want to bring you guys as much content as I can. So if you guys can, hit that subscribe below. It's going to help me out. Comment, leave a like, you know, let me know what you guys want to see, and I can't wait to bring you guys more videos, and you know, see what's ahead for us. So alright guys, thank you again for checking out the video, and I'll see you guys next time.